We had a break of this level.
So,
Past resistance, support at upside. But that's not our focus right now. Right now, we're focused on the demand that is posted down here. So easy these demand zones are. I tell you guys, every tested area is a low time frame trend transition. So this was a buy opportunity, and this was also a buy opportunity.
yeah, it's a bullish engulfing right now, that's the same way.
Right here,
Yeah.
that. So this is one
That
also.
again. And then the other one right just at the tip is a big bullish engulfing that eat up everything, you know.
Here, right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, but look what at the trend line. Break
Mm-hmm.
and retest of the trend line. Look at that.
Dead. Yeah, man.
Momentum in these candles. Remember, decision candles. These are very bullish decision candles,
Yeah, man.
right? So gold normally does a lot of supply and demand. Supply and demand normally goes hand in hand with market structure because even though gold was in a downtrend on the daily, as this higher low was broken, if you look on the weekly, gold was always in the uptrend because look at the demand region right here. Let me clean this up and just draw the one impulse. Go to the line chart, you see that big impulse push to the upside. Draw a line, it did not break it.
Mm-hmm.
Supply and demand and market structure is very important. Very important.
For real.
This was an easy trade. Like this trade produced, like if you got in late at the break of the trend line, that's over 1,100 pips, which is crazy.
Mm-hmm.
That's crazy profit. All right, so we just spoke about the impulse and the supply and demand. Like as I said, guys, supply and demand is easy. It is where you notice a lot of wicks and a random push to one direction. Just capture the wicks. Like look at this trade right here. The market
But
just came to it, hit and fell all the way down to its support. Fell 700, well 660 pips. And
no
of
more.
course, right at this zone, you know what we're going to see. We're going to see the same thing that we've been talking about all day. We're going to see market break structure, higher low, broke structure. It pushed structure down here actually, because it didn't break it until this point. Because this was just a tested area. We can agree that this is a tested area, right?
Mm-hmm.
So then it broke it and it retested it, and then it absolutely melted from right here, right? This was a good from the entry. This would have been good. So this level of support that be 182 pips,
Mm-hmm.
right? So anywhere you see a bunch of wicks in the market, that's a demand or a supply zone. If it's at a resistance, it's supply. If it's at a support, it's demand. Copy?
But we could have say, alright. She say, to give us a better confirmation, we could have say market structure on that, like with the line chart, like how you map it out.
Oh, right.
Just on the area down there, so with the no, upon the
Which time frame?
upon the daily.
Daily?
Yeah. When you do it with the line chart,
Right here.
demands, yeah.
Okay, so look at this. See it right here? This higher low made the higher high. Market came, broke the
Yeah.
low, broke,
Low.
created its first lower low, and it
Yeah.
came back to a past level of resistance because it had wicks to the upside here.
Yeah.
Point A, point B. You see, you have a point C right here. So one week, 2 week. So that's use candle values, but that never really touched the trend line, so it's not valid. But
Yeah.
see the daily breakout structure here that puts it
Yeah.
into a downtrend on the daily, but remember, weekly is still uptrend.
Mm-hmm.
All right, there's one last thing we need to talk about. So we'll talk about impulse, talk about breakout. Breakouts always come from supply and demand. Now we need to talk about correlations. I normally talk about this in backtest Fridays about the DXY correlation. Some people don't, but I just came to put it up for you guys. All right, so there's two correlations I need you guys to know about. The first one is US dollar correlation. All right. When everybody finished, just let me know. Just type the dubs, the usual routine. Give me a second. I'm going to get some water. All right, guys, I'm back. Everybody finished?
Yeah, man. Yeah.
All right, let me explain this now.
So,
Whoa. Pizza. All right. So correlations work like this. The DXY, which is basically the US dollar, it moves in the opposite direction of certain currency pairs. Oh, guys, let me make me forget something. Remember, I'm supposed to do RSI.
yeah, rush boss, we don't want to get beat up still.
Hmm?
So, yeah, rush, we don't want to get beat up.
Yeah, man, know I get a beating there then.
Yeah.
Beat the name, no too.
So my wife in that room and kill me. That's what me I done.
Alright,
Yeah.
look at this. So I have Euro USD on the left and we have the DXY on the right. Alright. When the DXY goes down, Euro goes up. Right? So we're going to change it out. We're going to put GBP USD on the left. When the DXY goes down, GBP USD goes up. USD CAD on the left. When the DXY goes down, USD CAD also goes down. Right? Because the DXY is basically the United States dollar. Right? So with that being said, we can use the DXY to know what's going to happen in certain currency pairs. So look at this. It's going to tie in more stuff to what I've been talking all day. Right? Resistance. All right, look at this alarm, guys. See when the DXY is at resistance, we have Euro US dollar at support. Everybody can see my cursor.
Yeah.
DXY is at resistance, Euro US dollar at support. So they're inversely correlated to each other. Right? When one goes up, the other goes down. So when we're trading, we can actually use the DXY as a confirmation factor within the trading. Right? So we see that DXY was in a channel. It was making higher highs, higher lows, all along right here, pushing up and down in a channel. Right? With that being said, every time the DXY was at the support in a channel, Euro US dollar was at a resistance, right? So DXY at support right here, Euro USD at resistance right here. DXY at support right here. Euro USD was at resistance right here. DXY was at resistance right here. Euro US dollar was at support right here. Follow?
Yeah.
All right. So correlations are easy. As long as you have this information right here, then it's basically self-explanatory. When the DXY goes up, Euro US dollar goes down, Aussie dollar goes down, NZD goes down, and GBP goes down. When the DXY goes down, other those go up. But always remember the way, because Euro has a stronger weight than all the others because it's 50%, 57% of the dollar. Right? Which brings us to the last topic of the day. It's called RSI. Now, RSI is the relative strength index. I think I have a little note on RSI over here, so do I? Relative strength. Wow. But you can see that, right?
Yeah.
All right. Does DXY correlate with gold and silver? All right. Not really. Gold, I'm not going to say yes for sure, because gold is a safe haven currency, right? A majority of the world uses US dollars. So if a lot of people are selling US dollars, a, a majority of them are going to put that sold US dollars in gold. They're going to sell the US dollar for gold. So yes, you can say there kind of is a correlation, but I'm not going to say definitely that, hey, yeah, there is, because you can have the US dollar going up and gold going up at the same time. All right, everybody got this. Remember, I need to be done so I can know when to move on. And we don't have to finish exactly at 4 o'clock. I just have to finish within that region.
Yo, so you change it? Do you tweak the settings for your RSI? Like,
Oh,
some
yeah.
people change it
Yes,
to 80. You do that?
I do. I'm going to give you the settings right after.
Alright. Boom, boom.
All right. Done. We're done 5, 6, 7, 8, 3 minutes.
Yo, me used to use TD and Merry trades, eh? And from one evening, we have a losing trade, we stop using them. Come and realize the difference in charts on trading view. Come never
Yeah.
want to pay for trading view. Come say TD a big broker. You see me? So
Yeah.
nothing can go wrong. If I see a difference in chart, on Sunday evening the market gap up, I'm gonna see the gap on TD and Merry trade, we just stop using.
All
And
right.
we use it.
TDs are liquidity provider for themselves. So when you're trading with TD, you're only
Mm-hmm.
using TD. You're not really trading on the global markets. It's just TD
Mm-hmm.
that you're trading with.
Mm-hmm. Stop using them. We choose them for stocks, so I'm good like that. But
You only need to. You guys need to invest in the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Like crazy, crazy money. Like you buy a stock on Monday and 2 weeks later it's up 100%. You laugh, I'm not joking. The Jamaican stock market is the best performing stock market in the union.
look
Um,
into it still.
which company you use? Are
Which
you
I use JMB.
Gemini? Okay.
Yeah. There's it actually come out since week that Sagicor going public.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Sagicor, some Sagicor Sigma something going public.
On the
So
New
that's
York Stock Exchange?
huh?
On New York or Jamaica?
Jamaica Stock Exchange.
Oh.
Them company would have worth like a 5 cent.
Some company not gonna win, like Sherwin Williams and Virgil Paint and them company not gonna win. Should have buy them from long time.
Which company doing good? NCB.
Let's see.
Yeah, I don't really trade stocks. I just buy them and
Yeah,
I
buy a whole and can live off of dividends later on, you know.
why if you live off a dividends in a Jamaica, you have to buy a couple of $1 million. All right, so everybody have this, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Need the other two confirmations. Right. All right, wonderful. So these are the settings for my RSI now. Um, so I changed the lower band to I changed the first things first. I changed the input to the last 5 candles. Right. So input length equals 5. And then for I have upper band at 80 and lower band at 20.
That
Copy?
Yeah.
Alright, so check this out now. One way that I use the RSI, I mainly use it on the 4 hour. So let's see if I can find a good example. Like this right here. Remember, market structure. We are in some form of uptrend along here, and we transition into some form of downtrend along right here, with this being our lower high. Right? Everybody copy?
Yeah.
So you notice when price was at the lowest high, the RSI was oversold. So we have, overbought. We have the lower part as oversold and the upper part as lower bought. Right? Whenever I see RSI overbought in a level of resistance, a level of market structure being a lower high, and excess supply zone, I'm not even going to go to the low time frame and look for that trend transition. I'm just going to take the sell.
Wicked, the piece of divergence that shit.
What's it called, divergence?
Like price make a one move. The movement on the RSI different from the movement on the price chart.
Yeah.
But I can see that both of them into it just don't make no sense. Yes.
This don't make no sense, yeah, so.
To some people, like you say, oh, momentum is pushing. You know what I say? The strength a push, and price now break. You know. So something must up. So there must be a strong roadblock up top of this,
This is called pending early.
Yeah.
For short. All right here. Simple market structure, same way. Lower, low, lower, high, lower, low, retest of lower, high. Okay, hold on. Let me check out this. A good buy stay move. This structure selling eventually. All of right here eventually. So you guys know my GJ prediction for the week. Like, this is my GJ analysis for the week. I just have the market continue pushing up until it reaches the lower high, then fall, or it may just do a double top right here, go something like this and continue back to the downside. And then remember, I spoke about this earlier. The rapid rejection right here, that shows a demand right here. I'm just going to leave this for the meanwhile. Just take a screenshot, put it in the chat, so you guys can all see what happens after or so. Let's save that. But that's pretty much it. Any questions, guys? Anything you want me to go back over?
Well, they say I go over on the slide. I think they say I go over RSI and trading view. I see I do a whole heap of tricks on the trading view. Like for change like the date, like to go back to a date directly where it have. Like say a back test and you want to go back to a date. How you do that? You see touch a thing and just type in the date.
I don't remember. See it right here. Press
go
Alt
to.
and G.
Oh, I think you have a shortcut for the keyboard. Oh.
Come on, Alt G.
Alt G, alright.
Just press Alt G and it come up.
Yeah,
alright.
Tips and tricks.
Kirkland, what you asking about replay? You want to know how to get a replay tool? Alright, so see right here, sir. But you have to buy TradingView to get it. If you don't buy them now, they'll give you. TradingView is like, I think it's. I bought TradingView when Black Friday. I bought TradingView for 70% off on Black Friday. They normally have really good sales. But I know a way to get TradingView cheap. Like to get TradingView cheap, just sign up for a plan or take the trial plan and cancel it And then when it comes to it, they're going to ask you why is this plan. And then if you click an option that says too expensive, they'll give you, I think, 40% off. Yeah, that's a quick way to get trading views or two.
Trading do a junker. Right now, I think I'm take some money out of my account. Need got money. Yeah, one night I sign up for it and automatically click like for pay for the yearly subscription.
Yeah,
Like 500 I take out one time.
it's crazy.
Yo.
Any questions, guys?
I don't know what else next,
Um, you know, one-on-one.
For the one-on-ones,
Yeah.
I don't really do one-on-ones online. And like I normally do it in person.
Yeah, man. Yeah. That's perfect. Man.
Yeah, man, you can just DM me and we'll talk about it.
Yeah.
All right, I don't really see much questions. So, how was the course, guys? It's like the first time I ever tried doing a mini course to cover certain things. Like, I don't think I'll be continuing it because this was hard, right? And
No, man, you're good, man.
I'll have to put more practice into this and create more structured content. But if we try to reach out, if you want to reach out to Instagram saying, yeah, you guys definitely can link me up on Instagram. Like, all of you just follow up my yard pips page and I'll follow you guys back so we can keep in contact. Like anybody that I follow, I'll definitely try to send message. I'm not like some mentors or some traders that stingy with knowledge. When you had if you want to when back tests are dropped, I'm tired. I'll probably do that like 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock tonight and just do some weekly predictions into it. But yeah, you guys definitely can reach out on Instagram. Yeah, so it's it. So you guys learned something? What was it?
Yeah, man. Definitely. I mean, I am new to it, but I'll jump into that. We'll come back to it and go fire. You know.
For this week, can we send you our analysis of the market and you give us your take on it? Yeah, you can do that, tell that. Just DM me on Instagram, send it to me on Instagram, and I'll tell you definitely what I think about it. Cool, yeah. All right, so I'd really appreciate if you guys just send me some feedback on the course. Tell me some things that you think I could do better and maybe inspire me because like towards the end of the year, I'd look to put together a class where I can do this like probably every other month. And you guys, the feedback that you guys give me would definitely help me to make a better product. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Just hit me up on Instagram and trade safe, guys. Big up on yourself.
Yeah,
All
man,
right,
bless up.
peace out. Oh, and the recording. Somebody needs some of the recording. You can just send it to me. And whoever recorded it, just DM me on Instagram and find out a way to get it. And I'll send you guys the link for the first recording I made before we took break. Cool?
Yeah. Alright.
All right.
All right, later, guys.